Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I want to talk about some very simple things, you guys, that have helped me become successful and what I'm trying to do online and just be successful in life, honestly. If you are very serious this year about starting your own online business, or if you have something that you just want to be the best at, or you just want to succeed at, and you want to see yourself grow, you need to be doing these things. I'm going to give you one key secret ingredient that you have to be doing if you want to find success at whatever it is that you are trying to do. If it's making money online, great, but you have to be doing this if you want to find success. So first things first, I just want to give you a little bit of history to where I came from and to where I am now. I want you to understand that I've been at this for a very long time, and that doesn't mean that it's going to take you that long. It just means that you have to be willing not to give up. You have to be willing to stay consistent, and you have to be willing to learn along the road and take all those losses and understand that if you don't quit, that you will succeed. So first, I want you to understand that when I say it's taken me a very long time, it kind of has, but it hasn't been. It's been like that for some reasons, and it's because I didn't stick to one particular thing. I've been at this since I was 15, and I've tried all kinds of different businesses, and I never stuck with one long enough to actually see the success that I wanted. And I'm kind of honestly grateful, I think, in a sense, because I've learned from all of those mistakes and all of those businesses to kind of find, what I was really passionate about in life and what I really wanted to do, and what I honestly think is the best business model and business to actually start and grow. You guys, if you are thinking about starting an online business and you want to do affiliate marketing and make money online, I honestly believe that it is the number one way to make money. But you have to be passionate about it. You have to actually want to succeed at that. And you have to be in a niche, at least when you're starting out. I believe that, is an evergreen niche that you're going to make a lot of money. Now, just to rewind here real quickly, what I'm talking about when I say that it's taken me a very long time is, since the time I've been about 15 years old, I've tried several different business models, you guys. I have done multi-level marketing several different times. I have done investing in tax lien certificates. I've done real estate investing. I've actually got my real estate license, and multiple other things. Just there's tons of things that I've done along the way where I got started and maybe made a little bit of money, and I realized that it was a lot of work and I wasn't getting much success, and then I quit. I quit what I was doing, and I never actually found the success that I was after. So let's just pause here for just a second, because I want you to understand this, that if you want to succeed at something, you cannot quit. Now, the way that you do this is you need to find something that you are very passionate about. Whatever it is that you're trying to find success in, you have to have a lot of passion. It has to be something that you are not willing to fail at. And when you're doing something that you like, that you're passionate about, that you kind of fall in love with the process of the learning of what it takes to become a professional, or someone that's very good at whatever that is they're in love with the process. You have to become in love with the process, because you have to enjoy the journey. It's not all about the destination. Yes, you're trying to get to your goals, right? And you want to make a lot of money, or whatever it is that you're trying to be successful at, but you have to fall in love with the process, and you have to understand why it is that you are doing what you're doing. If you're trying to make money online and you want to start your own business, is it because you want to change your life? By change your life, obviously, everyone wants a little bit more money so that they can go out there and change their life, right? But I'm not talking about just going and buying a bunch of cars, big houses, right? I'm talking about stuff that's real. Is it about your family? Do you want to better your kids? Do you want to make sure that they have an education? Is it so that your wife can stay home? Is it so that you can actually have the time in your life to go out there and do things that are super meaningful to you, so that you can actually enjoy your life, right? When you're at work every single day and you're sitting in a cubicle, or you're outside working, if you're not really enjoying that, it's a lot of time wasted. You're spending probably 8 hours of your day every single day with people maybe that you do not like, or doing things that you do not like to do. But you know what? You're going to go ahead and you're going to do it anyways, because you have bills to pay, you have a family to feed, whatever situation you're in, you have to have an income, right? Otherwise, you're going to be homeless, and that's just not acceptable. So you're stuck in the situation that you are. And guess what? There's a lot of people that have huge student loan debts on top of that because they spent a bunch of money to go to school and they got a job, and then they realize that they don't even like what they're doing. So honestly, you guys, what I love about affiliate marketing and making money online is that if you're in this type of situation, it's a way out because you can do this in your spare time when you have time. And a lot of people don't have a lot of time, but you can still make time. My rich Uncle Tony back in the day, I told him I didn't have time. And, I was working a full time job. I was going to school, and then I would go and help him, after work. And I remember trying to give him, the excuse that I didn't have time. And by the way, if you don't know who my rich Uncle Tony is, you guys, he was a gentleman that made $10 million in real estate out here in the valley that I live in. And when I tried to give him the excuse, that I didn't have time, he said, "You have time." And he started breaking down every single hour of my day, and he asked me what I was doing. He goes, "What are you doing, from this hour to this hour?" And a lot of times it was very easy to pick apart and find time that I was not spending building my own business. I was, spending it watching TV or doing things that had no value added to the dream that I was trying to achieve. So you do have time. You just need to learn time management. You need to get hungry. You need to figure out why it is you're trying to do whatever it is that you're trying to do. And here it is, you guys. Here is the secret sauce right here that will help you succeed. To be successful, you must stay consistent. You must learn to fail forward. You must learn to accept the failures that you have along the way. Stay consistent and keep going. You just keep going. You tell yourself that it's okay when you fail, and you just keep going. You never quit. For example, if you were going to the gym and you wanted to become, just to get fit, right? You start going the first week, you just get really, really sore. You don't get any results at all. You go again the second week, you're still not getting any results, but hey, you're a little bit less sore. You go the third week, and maybe you start to notice a little bit of definition. And then you get into the fourth week, and you're barely getting any results, right? You got a little tiny bit of results. Maybe you've lost a few pounds and you're trying to lose a ton of weight. Whatever it is, you just have to keep going. By the time most people quit right before they have the huge breakthrough. And it's happened to me several times over. And I fall short, you guys, because I'm not getting the results that I want fast enough. And if you just stay consistent and you stay passionate about what it is that you are trying to achieve, and that's why I say you really have to understand why it is that you want whatever it is, because it's not okay to fail at that, right? Because you are going to achieve that. It's something that you really want. You understand why you want it. You understand that you cannot fail, and you will not accept the failure, and you're just going to keep going. And what's going to happen is you're going to learn the skill sets that you need, and you're going to stay consistent long enough to develop the skill sets, to develop the mindset, and you're going to get the results that you want, and you're going to get the momentum to help you keep going. And that's all it really is, you guys. All these people that you see that are very successful, they just never gave up. They just never gave up. That's all it is. So if you want to find success, just keep on going. And if it's affiliate marketing, you guys, for me, it's figuring out how to drive traffic. And if it's making these videos, honestly, and it's just staying consistent and keep going. Because in affiliate marketing, you have to drive traffic. You have to have traffic, targeted, warm traffic, coming and looking at the offer that you have. And you have to really believe in the product that you're trying to sell, right? I honestly really 100%, 200% believe in the offer that I'm promoting. My number one recommendation, you guys, which is down in the top of the description of this video, I honestly 200% believe in. It is everything that it's cracked up to be. It's honest. It has integrity. The people that reach out to you and help you really care, and they want to see you succeed. And they show you step by step exactly what you need to be doing to find success online. And they have helped me out so much, more than anything that I've ever done in my entire life. So if you're serious about making money online, you need to get started. A lot of times, another one of the biggest problems is people just don't ever get started. They keep kicking the can down the road. They keep saying, I'm going to get to it here. I'm going to get to it here. People are very, very good at procrastinating. I know, because I'm one of them. It's very, very easy. It's in my nature to procrastinate, you guys. Get started. And once you get started, just don't quit. Just don't quit. and make sure that you invest in yourself and get the tools in front of you that you need, a blueprint and the tools that you are going to need to be successful. That's all you really need. And stay motivated. Figure out a way to stay motivated every single day. I told you in this video exactly how I'm doing it. Read books, listen to audio, watch video online. If there's people in your life that you can hang out with every single day or weekly, spend time with them. If they have what you want, if they have the skill sets that you want, that is the fastest way to find success in what it is that you're trying to do. If you are serious about changing your life, you can do it. I believe in you. If I can do it, I know that you can do it. So get started in 2020, you guys. I believe in you. Check out my #1 recommendation down there in the top of the description, you guys. You will absolutely love that. I know that because I went through it, and within 15 days, you can be up with your own affiliate marketing business and start making money. Alrighty, my friends, that's all I have for you today. So let's go ahead and wrap this one up. Make sure that you like this video, share this video, and let me know down in the comments what you think. Even if you just say make money online, show some love, show some support, leave me some comments. It helps to grow my channel, helps get this information out to as many people as possible. And that is extremely important to me because I want to change as many lives as I possibly can and help them make money online as well. So thank you for supporting this channel. I will see you on the next one. Peace.